Wale wasanii ambao wanaimba ma love songs, naomba msinione kama competition, msifeel threatened.
Now welcome back. Now yesterday I brought forth to you news of Ringtone Apoko coming through to reveal that he has decided to say adios muchachos to gospel industry. Yeah, he has decided to cross the other side of the industry. And well, by the time I was making that video, he had not revealed the reason why he has decided to shift, and that was up until later in the day where he came to reveal why he has decided to leave gospel. Now, according to Ringtone Apoko, he revealed that he just wants to test waters on the other side. He feel me, like he just want to make some love songs. And anyways, his Ringtone Apoko coming through to reveal the main reason why he has decided to leave gospel industry. Enjoy.
Nataka kuchukua hii nafasi kuthank wale watu ambao wote wamenisupport kwa gospel music. Hii nimekuwa nikiimba for this time, na sasa imefika mwisho. Nimeamua nianze kuimba ma love songs. So naomba muendelee kunisupport, na wale wasanii ambao wanaimba ma love songs, naomba msinione kama competition, msifeel threatened. To work pamoja ndio tuweze kufikisha muziki mahali inafaa kufika. So bye bye gospel industry. And so wasanii kama kina Mojishoti Baba, wasanii kama Guardian Angel, nataka watu wote wale ambao wako kwa gospel, wakina Mashmwana, hizo magroup zote, nataka kuambia asante kwa ile support mlinisupport nikiwa chairman wenyu, na sasa hii nimetoka. Mbarikiwe.
Hey, that is what Ringtone Apoko said in a video that he captioned breaking news. And wow, it's how he tags, the media houses on the caption for me. Anyways, you guys already know it is Ringtone and he makes his own rules. You feel me? Anyways, man, that is what's good concerning Ringtone Apoko. Now, first of all, do you guys believe that he has decided to leave gospel industry, or he's just chasing cloud? Because many would argue, Ringtone, the one Ringtone we know, well, chances are high that he's chasing clout. But however, we can't count him out. Anyways, go ahead and drop your thoughts down in the comment section. What you think about him leaving gospel industry. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, bliska.ke and K. I'll see you in the next one.